Hello everyone! Welcome to Abra High School Solid Waste Management Online Tutorial. I am Christina Bersamina, your teacher for today's topic, 5 R's Technique of Solid Waste Management. Why solid waste management? So to answer your question, please watch this.
Wala ka bang napapansin sa iyong mga kapaligiran? Kay dumi na ng hangin, pati na ang mga ilog natin. Hindi na masamang pag-unlad at malayo-layo na rin ang ating narating. Ngunit masdan mo ang tubig sa dagat, dati kulay asul, ngayon'y naging itim. Ang mga duming ating ikinalat sa hangin, sa langit, huwag na nating paabutin. Upang kung tayo'y pumanaw man sa sariwang hangin, sa langit natin matitikman. Mayroon lang akong hinihiling, sa aking pagpanaw sana ay tag-ulan. Gitara ko ay aking dadalhin, upang sa ulap na lang tayo magkantahan.
The Philippines is the world's third largest ocean polluter. Our country, Philippines, generates 2.7 million tons of plastic waste annually, and 20% or 500,000 tons end up in the ocean. Today, we are going to discuss the 5 R's techniques of solid waste management, hoping that it will become an eye-opener to all of us, and we will do our part to have a cleaner, better, and safer environment. First R, recycle. Recycle means to create new product using a material that has already served its purpose. Recyclable materials can be plastic bottles and containers, tin cans, old newspapers, used papers, and plastic cups. For example, empty plastic bottles can be recycled into a trash bin and plant pots, and for plastic cups, into colorful decorations. Second R, reduce. Reduce means to lessen the amount of waste in the environment. It will also lessen the demand for natural resources. For an example, the third R, reuse. Reuse means to use again or find other ways to use a material. The glass jars of your nata de coco and kaong for your macaroni salad can be used as containers for dried beans, mongo, or salt. Fourth R, repair. Repair means to fix slightly broken things that make them useful again. Slightly damaged things should be repaired, not to be replaced by new ones. For example, broken chair, bags, and even your cell phones. Fifth R, recover. Recover means to generate energy from certain material. It also involves segregation of materials to recover recyclable and biodegradable waste that can be used as compost ingredients. Managing our waste is everyone's responsibility. It is our duty to protect, preserve, and conserve our environment. Let us heal and protect our Mother Earth. Thank you and have a good day.